Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make low mic guy. This is enough for 3 to 4 peeps. So the ingredients are half chicken fillet, 2 garlic cloves, 1 bowl of glutinous rice, 5 spice powder, corn starch, white pepper, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, dried shrimp, 6 dried Chinese mushrooms, 1/2 dried lotus leaf, oyster sauce, cooking oil, salt and sugar. So we're going to rinse the lotus leaves with water, each one. And then fill the tray with water near the top. Get a plate and then weigh down the leaves. Put it aside for 45 minutes to 1 hour. Next we're going to clean the mushrooms and shrimps and put them into bowls and add boiling water halfway. Let them soak for an hour, turn the mushrooms upside down around the halfway mark. Cut the chicken fillet into slices and then into bite-sized slices. You can use a chicken thigh or chicken wings. Put them into a bowl and ready for the sauce. Add around half a teaspoon of salt. Add 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce. Add 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. Add a few sprinkles of white pepper. Give it a good mix, leave it to marinate for around 30 minutes. Throw in the bowl of the glutinous rice into a rice cooker bowl, pretend that is a rice cooker bowl. Add water into the bowl and stir it around a few times to get the starch off the rice. Pour the water out, careful not to pour the rice out. Do this 3 to 4 times until water is clearish. If the water is clearish, fill to about an inch above the rice level. Stick your finger in and measure it. Add more water if the water level is low and re-measure. If the water is right, then pop into the rice cooker to be cooked. It takes around 15 minutes. Smash a garlic clove and then mince it. This will be used to make garlic oil in a minute. Put it into a bowl. Mince a second garlic clove. This will be used later when cooking the chicken. Add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce to around a quarter full of water in a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar. So the last step is the garlic oil. Fry the minced garlic in cooking oil, 4 tablespoons. Don't throw away the garlic. Add the garlic oil to the sauce that you just made before. Give it a few stirs. Give the rice a few stirs around. Splatter the rice sauce in a few places. Give the rice a few more stirs around. Do this again. Don't have to use all of it. I left a bit because I don't want the rice to be too wet. Cut off the ends of the mushroom. Use your hands to squish the mushrooms to get the water out. Do this to all the mushrooms. Leave 3 decent sized mushrooms, 1 each if 3 peeps, and dice the rest of the remaining. Take the shrimp out. Keep the shrimp and mushroom water for later. Put the gas on medium heat and add cooking oil. Stir fry until they're slightly crispy. Pour it onto a plate to be used later. Drain the water out of the tray. Shake out the excess water off the leaves. Leave it to the side for later. Add cooking oil, put it on medium heat. Add the minced garlic, the second clove, let it saute for a bit. Add the marinated chicken in, stir fry for around 2 to 3 minutes. Add the Chinese mushrooms. Add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Add around half the shrimp and mushroom water. Add 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Add slightly more than half a teaspoon of salt. Add slightly more than half a teaspoon of sugar. Give it a few stirs. Add around half a teaspoon of 5 spice powder. Give it a few more stirs. Add some water to the corn starch and give it a good stir. Then pour around half in for now, give the filling a few stirs. Put the rest of the half in, give it a few stirs. After the filling thickens, put it into the bowl to be used later. You have to soak the lotus leaves first, and then cook the glutinous rice. After cooking the glutinous rice, let it cool off. Make sure you have a rectangular base to put the filling in. I think I might need a bit more there. Scoop up some shrimps. Put in the chicken and mushrooms filling in. Normally not as much filling as that, but we made 3 big ones, so 4 would be the average size. Make sure you have a rectangular top and cover the filling. My mum's made it, destroyed the name there. Kinda saved it. Let's fold each side and then roll it. Although this one's a bit big, this leaf, so she just folded it in and then just rolled it after that. Yep, she did it. Yeah, finished. It's ready to steam or put it in the fridge for later. Lo mai gai could also have minced pork in it. Some people use diced char siu, but I didn't include it in this one. Sorry, I was meant to include it, but I just kept it basic. So we steamed them for around 30 minutes. There's a sneaky junk inside there as well. And this was the following day that we ate this. Congratulations, you made the lo mai gai. Hope you like it. Hey guys, I'm not too sure what to cook next, so if you have any suggestions, please leave a comment, and if I pick it, I'll give you a shout out in the video. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please stir the like button, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!